back to another video. So I've got myself some glow in the dark spider gels. I did originally order these ones. These are the You Are Sugar spider gels, and they never ever turned up, and I was that peed off with them messing me about. And I really wanted these as well. I wanted them all matching, but I was that pissed off with them that I ordered them from somewhere else. So I'm a bit pissed off that they don't match, but it doesn't matter. So I have got 6. So I've got 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 and 17. I didn't get 15 because that was the pink, which I've already got. And I think one of these is a white. I'm not sure. I've not opened them yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open them. Rather than swatch them all, I've got my practice handout. This is one of my newest ones. This is the one from AliExpress that hasn't got a thumb and it's pausable. My favourite hand's these little ones from AliExpress. Yeah, I thought I'll do a quick little design. So let me get all these open and I'll be back. Before I go as well, they are 5mm pots from Rosalind. I got these off AliExpress. I'll leave the link below. Anyway, let me get these all open. Right, I have opened them all, but what I'm going to do quickly is I'm going to give them all a stir, because that glow in the dark pigment has more than likely dropped to the bottom. So I'm just going to use a dotting tool. I'm just going to use a dotting tool, and I'm just going to give them a stir, which is going to be very difficult because it's spider gel. They look very opaque. They do. Yeah, so I'm just going to give them a bit of a mix. Right, what I want to do first is I'm going to give all these a base coat of this 195 from Umikk, and it's a really nice nude pink. All my gels are very runny today because it's so hot. So I've already buffed my nail tips, but I'm going to go in with a base coat anyway. I'm using Umikk again. Right, whilst they're curing in the lamp, I'm going to show you some glitters I'm going to use. I've been dying to use these, so I'm using these. I got these off AliExpress, but Sparkle Supplies UK sells them as well as a collection, and they're just tiny hexes. So yeah, I'm going to do an accent nail on the ring finger using these. I'm going to try and fit them all on anyway. We shall see. This is actually a design I seen Natalie Mugridge do last year. This time last year actually. And I was dying to have a go at it. So I'm having a go at that. Slightly different, but along the same lines. That's where I got my inspo from anyway. Right, so let's get this base colour put on. So yeah, I'm going to use this Umikk 195. Right guys, that's them out the lamp. I totally forgot I was leaving that. I painted it, didn't I? The ring finger, but luckily I remembered just before I put it in the lamp. Right, these pink nails, I'm going to give them all a matte top coat because I want the finish on these to be matte. Right, here goes. Can you see all right there? Oh, I daren't do it. There. Oh, smudged it. I smudged it. Let's get that smudge off quickly. Oh, smudged it. Let's try and get that off quickly. Right, let's get that in the lamp. That's the pink one done. Right, what I've done, I've just flash cured it. And then we can go straight on to the next one. I'm only going to show you doing one nail. So, like, I'll come back to you when these other two have been done in pink. And then I'll do the next colour with you. And the next colour, if you know what I mean. Right. So, I'll do this next pink on the pinky, and I'll come back to you and we'll do the next colour. Right, so that's the pink done. I'm going to move on to the purple now. I've had to turn my fan on because it's so hot. So I'm sorry if you can hear my fan and cause because the window's open. Right, so I will just do this one with you in real time. I'll either speed the other two nails up or do them off camera. So here we go with the purple. Are we ready? Are we steady? Let's make sure my camera's locked. Right, here goes. I want to kind of overlap it slightly. Right, that'll do. Let's get that in the lamp. That's the purple one done. Right, so that's the pink and purple done. I'm quite tempted to leave them like that. They look really pretty together, but I'm going to stick to the plan. I can always do another design another day with the pink and the purple corner. Oh, I've gone a bit high with that. Right, that's the blue one done. Woohoo! Right, now we're on to the green, and then we've just got the yellow to do. So let's get going. I've got a feeling this green and yellow is going to be very similar because that green's quite a light one, isn't it? We'll see. Right, and lastly, let's get this yellow done. I think this yellow and green are going to be so similar. Actually, the yellow's quite a bright one, actually. Yeah, that's quite bright, isn't it? Oh. It's so stringy. Right, let's get that into cure. They look so cool. Right, guys, that's them done. The glitter nail, I didn't like it. It was like, look, it was just way too much rainbow going on there. So, yeah, I've got rid of that. And I'm just going to put some rhinestones. I think it looks so much better like that. So, I've pulled some gems out. I've pulled my rainbow neon gems out, obviously. And I've pulled out my clear ones that I always like to use. But I really, really like these white ones from Charlie's Nail Art. But I've only got them in two sizes, big and small. So, I think I might just dot one or two of them in between my coloured ones and my clear ones. I want these nails to stay matte, so I'm going to stick my gems on with some of this Moravan rhinestone glue. Yeah, and that'll be the set finished. Right guys, so that's them finished. I much prefer that little bit of bling to the rainbow nail. I really like this glitter, so I will incorporate it into another design. But let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Bling or glitter nail? I think bling, definitely. I think the glitter nail was just too much rainbow. Definitely. I'll stick a couple of pictures up of this glowing in the dark. I don't think it's going to do too well because I've done them too thick. You're not really going to see the strands, I don't think. But yeah, I really like them. I do. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.